Hey everybody, another wonderful day in Montana. This is Eric with Radio Arizona RV. And as you can see, today I'm going to be talking about the Dominator Sewer Hose made by Valterra. Now this is another sewer hose, another sewer hose, I said it. What's different about the Dominator is, let me grab another box here. What's different about the Dominator is it's flexible, but yet it's rigid. That's what the box says too. See, flexible yet rigid. So it'll flex, it'll hold its shape. It's not like the other sewer hoses, which are more like dealing with a wet noodle. The ends of this one swivel, and this one swivels as well. I'm not going to take it off and show you that, but so this is a 15-foot kit. Had to look at the box, and it also comes in a 20-foot kit, which is similar to the easy coupler hose. It's two 10-foot sections. So these are real cool. What's nice is the rigidity if you need that. Now what I was holding up a second ago, here's the 10-foot extension kit. So this would add another 10 feet onto it. See how it's just designed for extensions. So now this one is probably, I'm guessing, a 21 millimeter hose. There's nothing on the box or in the catalog to indicate what the millimeter is. So they're not really selling the millimeter, they're selling the fact that it's rigid yet flexible, like the box says. And it is, and these are good hoses. All the sewer hoses here I've tried out. Every single one used in Arizona when we were there. Had an RV hooked up all the time, and every hose lasted for years. And you know, the thing that kills a hose, in my estimation, is when you're dragging it across the ground. You know, that's the worst thing, especially for like the easy coupler, the one I just showed. The plastic will rub off where the springs are in there to keep the coils. And it'd be the same with this, although this material is tougher and it's a little bit lighter too. It doesn't just kind of want to hug the ground. So it's a lighter weight material, but yet it's probably a 21 millimeter as far as thickness goes, if you're gauging it by that, which most everybody does. But check out the Dominator Sewer Hose. It's a nice quality hose. In fact, just go to an RV store where you can see them all, side by side, and you can touch them, feel them. And that's the way to do it. Shopping for some of this stuff online, yeah, I get it, it's cheaper, but you go to the store, you can touch it, feel it. The guy there can answer all your questions. It makes life a lot easier. So check out the Dominator Sewer Hose. Nice quality hose from Valterra.